Is my brow. This is how really my eyebrows look like. You see that? They are short, they are thin. They actually used to grow this way, which is called a droopy brow. And I'm going to show you what a droopy brow looks like. And I'm also going to kind of exaggerate it so you guys can see. So my brow used to grow like this. That was my brow. Normally what tends to happen with this brow, you see how it droops? Look how it makes my eye just kind of go down, right? Can you see that? Look how this one is raised up. Already my face looks like it's drooping, and that is pretty much aging me. This is what you call a droopy brow. Guess what I had to do to this droopy brow? I had to be talked into taking off all this hair right in here so that I was able to see that I can actually connect my brow to the ends without making it droop. But you first have to understand your brow. I pretty much had a droopy brow.